Alright, hey guys, so I am going to be doing a apple cider vinegar mix to deep condition my hair. This is a wash and go from this morning, and it just got really huge. So all I'm using is the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and I put it in my spray bottle, and I'm just going to distribute it all over my hair. And then I'll section it off just to make sure that it gets on every single part of my hair. And then I'll probably leave it on for about 15 minutes. I'll come back, I'll rinse it out, and then show you the texture. I've been doing some research. A lot of people say that it just makes your hair super soft and easier to maintain. And it's like putting a consistent, I'm trying to think, like a watery based consistency product in your hair that lets you like just run your fingers through your hair. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna spray. Put it up. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. Trying to secure my ends. And then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. This light, I'm sorry, it's really bright. I don't know if you can't see it. Alright, so I am going to rinse the apple cider vinegar out my hair, and then I am going to be using the Cream of Nature with argan oil intensive conditioning treatment. So I'm just going to take it out to the scrunchie. Alright, so I don't really dry my hair rarely unless I'm going somewhere. So all I'm gonna do is just do my part. I like wearing my hair on the side part, even though some way somehow that part always seems to give me the bang effect. So weird. So all I'm gonna do now is just section my hair and detangle. I always start detangling from the bottom, and then I work my way up. just curly with no products. What I will say is my curls, they are actually very well, that's Skylar, they're actually very nicely defined without me using any product. I have no product in my hair. I rinsed out the conditioner, so there's nothing in there. So my next step, what I'm gonna do is I use coconut oil, and I'm just gonna put a handful in my hair, in my hand, and then I'm just gonna rub it throughout my hair.
No, teacher.
So, woo. And then I have a product that I want to show you guys that I'm going to be using for the first time.
Alright, last I'm going to be using the SheaMoisture Mongongo and Hemp Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Seal Styling Gel with protein and apple cider vinegar. So I already did the rinse. This one contains apple cider vinegar. It defines and controls low moisture retention, curly, coily hair. This moisturizing styling gel defines perfect curls and coils while sealing cuticles to block humidity and frizz. And I suffer from that because my hair is high porosity and I live in Miami and the heat is really bad. So as I go throughout my day, my hair begins to frizz and it doesn't hold my curls. It's enriched with ultra hydrating Mongongo and hemp seed oils blended together with certified organic shea butter, fortifying viable protein and apple cider vinegar to smooth down rough cuticles and block frizz. And on the back, it just tells you the benefits of the Mongongo oil, the hemp seed oil, and the botanical proteins. The Mongongo oil specially selected to coat and seal the cuticle of high porosity hair. The hemp seed oil moisturizes hair while it reinforces and protects, and the botanical proteins contains vitamin A, C, D, and F to fortify hair. So this is my first time using this. It cost me about $11 from Walgreens. They usually have buy one get one free or buy one get one 50% off, but not today. So so I'm just going to take a little bit. It has a thick consistency. Oh, actually not really. Like once you rub it, it doesn't. So I guess I'll just take a little section at a time.
Alright guys, so here's my hair. It's about 50%, 75% dry. It's just the back that's not all the way dry. So yeah, my curls are really nice. I'm gonna go out in the sun and see how the humidity deals with it.